everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa if you're new around here, and today we are doing a home bargains haul. So Halloween is just around the corner, so I've got a bag of Halloween stuff and then I've got a bag of random stuff as well. So I'm going to start with the Halloween stuff if that's what you've come here for today, and then stay tuned for the other bits, which are just miscellaneous kind of cleaning, beauty, random things like that. So let's get started with Halloween. I'm going to start with this one because this is on the table right now, and I got this little Halloween sign which I thought was so cute. I think this was 99p or £1.29. It was very cheap, and I actually bought this for the boys for their playhouse outside. I thought it was really cute because they want to decorate their playhouse in the garden, so I got them this little welcome sign which I just thought was really cool. It's also got this little loop here so you could hang it up if you wanted to, but I think what we're going to do is we're going to just attach it to the picket fence that they've got outside their playhouse. So we got that. I then picked up some lights. These are just some little haunted house lights. It says for indoor use only, so we'll use these either inside their playhouse or inside our house. Vinny asked for these. These are £3.99 and they are battery operated, so we've got some of those which I thought were really cool. They did have some pumpkin ones as well. What I'll do is I'll put some footage up as well throughout the video so you can kind of see what are the bits they had in there, because I did film a few clips on my phone so you can have a look at the Halloween section, and also they've got a Christmas section at the moment which looks amazing. You guys know I love Christmas, so I'm already ready for it. So yeah, they had loads of Christmas stuff. I cannot wait to start doing Christmas hauls. Once Halloween is done, I'll be into full Christmas mode. But yeah, got those little jack-o'-lanterns. I think that's what they're called. Next, I saw this little projection torch, which I thought was quite fun. The boys have actually got these kind of torches with like dinosaurs and things like that, and they love playing with them in the night time. So they turn the lights off in the living room and we have like play with those. So I thought this would be really cool because it's all Halloween themed. Again, these are all super cheap. Everything in this haul, like there's nothing above £3.99, and the lights were the most expensive thing that I bought in this haul. So everything else is either 59p, which I think these were 59p, 99p, etc. So yeah, we got those, which I thought was cool. I only bought one of those because I just thought the boys can kind of share that between them. I did pick up one of these as well. So we've got a glow stick fork, a red one. Basically with the boys, like Vinny loves to dress up Halloween. Renzo's not really too fussed about dressing up. He doesn't really like the fuss of it. So I got a few things that I thought he could use that he doesn't feel like he's dressing up as such, but this would be quite a cool, you know, Halloween themed thing that he can use, and he'll like it because it'll glow in the dark. I also got this little set here which I think was £1.29. This is a Hallow Scream Toxic Makeup Kit, and then on the back it kind of gives you a little demo of what to do. I'm just going to use it and kind of do my own thing on Vinny because he wants to go as a zombie this year. So we've got some fake blood in there, some face paints, and what else have we got? Liquid latex, which I don't think we'll use, also some green fake blood, and then some little sponges to apply everything. They had a couple of different kits in there which I thought were really cool, but we went with this one because it was the closest to our kind of theme this year. I also grabbed some glow ears. So these are a little hairband or headband. I got few different colors. We've got green, this is like a pink one, I also got a yellow, and then I got another green one. I just thought this would be, again, a very good thing to wear when we go trick-or-treating on Halloween. It's just nice because it glows in the dark. The boys will really love that kind of novelty of it, and it's easy if you don't really want to dress up much because I don't know what the weather's going to be like. So I'll probably just pop these ears on, put some blood on my face, and then make myself a kind of Disney zombie maybe, because they're a bit like Mickey Mouse ears, aren't they? Minnie Mouse. So yeah, those are a really good little option if your little ones don't really want to dress up too much, but then you've got that kind of fun element with the glow in the dark ears. 4 of those, one for each of us. Orlando won't be wearing them. And then what else did I get? I got this. So hanging spider garland, which is again another little cute decoration. Lots of little spiders in there. How much was that? That one was £1.29. They had so many different garlands and things like that in Home Bargains, so if you are decorating, that is definitely the place to go. They also had this big kind of glitter skull which I thought was really cool. We actually bought one of those, like pretty similar, in Sainsbury's last year, but it was probably about £5, so it was definitely cheaper in Home Bargains. So they had some really cool big decorations as well if you're decorating. I just wanted to go for like kind of fun decorations rather than the super scary ones, but they do have some scary decorations as well if you're looking for that kind of thing. What else have we got in here? I got another set of lights just because I just thought these are just things that we can have time and time again. We've got 10 LED pumpkins. These are kind of like a little bit sparkly, so those are quite cool. Haunted house for indoor use only again. And then I got 2 of these kind of straw cups for the boys. So we've got a purple kind of boo like ghost one, and then we've got a trick or treat kind of witches and spiders hat, witches hats and spiders on there, and then we've got ghosts and pumpkins on there with kind of spiders webs and bats, all sorts like that. I thought they would really love these because of the straw. The straw just goes all the way around the cup, so I thought that would be really fun for them as well. So got those 2 cups there. And then the final Halloween thing I got was this candle. They had a really big version as well, but I didn't really use candles very much in the house. I just wanted to get this one though because it is called Halloween. So that is the candle, and I actually really love the scent of this candle. Oh, it smells lovely. It's a Wickford & Co candle. I don't know if it says, I guess the scent is Halloween, but it's not like, you know, like a lot of Halloween candles are very like pumpkin scented, and I don't really like the kind of pumpkin scent, but this one's a lot sweeter. Yeah, it's just like sweets really. I really like it. I'm going to pop this on my fireplace because I think it will go with the decor that I've got on there at the moment. So I got one of those, which was cute, and that was only like 99p. So those were all of the Halloween bits that I got, and now I'm going to show you the other random things that we got. So I got this for the bath for the boys to play with. It's a Finding Dory swimming Dory. You literally just put it in the bath and it will swim. There's a few different ones to collect, but I only saw Dory in our Home Bargains, but there is also Nemo, Marlin, Little Dory and Bailey available, so that was quite cool. I also got these microwave popcorn, so I got 4 of these, 4 packets, because it was 4 for 99p, which I thought was really good. And you literally just put them in the microwave. I'm guessing it's like 1 pack. Yes, it's 1 bag in each packet, and you get that kind of cinema popcorn, which I think is really cool. And every Saturday night now, Vinny stays up late with us on the weekends, and every Saturday night we like to kind of watch a film. Last week we watched Aladdin, which was really, really good, and it was just really nice to just sit down with him and watch a film and have that kind of one-on-one time with Vinny. So I thought I would treat him to some popcorn because he loves popcorn, and I remember my nan making me like proper popcorn like when I was younger when we would watch films and stuff. So I went for the microwave popcorn because it's going to be nice and warm and I just love it. So yeah, I'm excited to have that this weekend with Vinny. I'm sure he'll be really excited. I haven't shown him yet, but he loves popcorn. I got myself some Surf washing tablet because I'd run out, and I have been using the Persil, which I love, but I didn't see any in there, so I just went with this one. And these are the 2-in-1 capsules. I actually went and smelt the fabric conditioner to this, so I do like the scent of it. This is Wild Thing, but they had loads of different ones, and basically I just want to pop this in my container that I've got for these. I think it would look cute, so I got some of those, and they're pink and white, which again I thought would look really nice in the container. Those are $2.99 and you get 20 in there. Also got some of this, guys, the pink stuff. This is the Miracle Cream Cleaner. So you guys know I absolutely loved the pink stuff in the tub. I did a video on it, how to use it, so I will link it down below or up here somewhere if you would like to watch that. So I kind of shared a few different ways to use the pink stuff. Literally, it's a miracle worker. It's so, so good. So I got the pink stuff, the Miracle Cream Cleaner, tough on stains, sparkling clean, 100% natural cleaning particles. So if you've used this, let me know how you use it, what your favourite way is to use it, and if you liked it. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. Another couple of foodie items which I actually recently discovered, and these are the Skinny Whip double chocolate snack bars. These are 99p, and I also went for the toffee and chocolate snack bar. I've already tried the toffee and chocolate, really liked them. They're kind of like a whipped snack. They're kind of like, it reminds me a little bit of a Milky Way bar, because you know that kind of like whipped, I don't know, marshmallowy kind of chocolate. I'm not really sure, but they're very, very light, but they do feel like a really nice treat as well. So I went for those. They're only 99 calories each, and they were just a nice little snack to stock up on, I thought. So I got those. I got this for Vinny. This is just an Avengers fingerboard, and there's 6 to collect in here. Vinny went to his granddad's the other day and he found a skateboard in the garage and he brought it home, and now he's obsessed with skateboards and things like that. So he's always like looking on YouTube for different tricks and things, and I thought this fingerboard would be quite fun for him to use. Do you remember those like mini skateboards that you could get when you were younger? That's what I used to have. So I think he'll really like that because he'll be able to do tricks with that. And then the final items, I've got 2 more bits left. I got this for the boys, a magic wand bath fizzer. I thought I could like swirl it around in the bath and it'll fizz up, which I thought was really cool. This was actually in the kind of gift section. They've got loads of gifts in now for Christmas, and this was in the section for gift. But I thought it was really nice just to kind of pop in the bath when they're having a bath. And then finally, I just got this little small lunchbox because this says Rawsome lunchbox, so you can imagine who it's going to be for. It is for Renzo, but I will use it for Vinny if we need to. But basically, a lot of the time when the boys come back from school or nursery, there's always someone that's forgotten a lunchbox. So I need to stock up on a few just different like Tupperware ones for the boys, just in case I haven't got a lunchbox for the next day, because I haven't got any spares and I needed to get some spares. And this was really cute. That is everything that I got from Home Bargains, guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know what you've been picking up from Home Bargains recently if you have been in there, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.